Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we have a Bobcat 763 Kubota powered with a little over 2,000 hours on it. It's a 5,400 pound machine, rated lift capacity of 1,500 pounds, so very capable. Radius lift boom, we're 114 inches to the hinge pins. Lights all work. Kubota 4-cylinder, that's 46 horsepower. It's got the block heater ready to run year-round. Liquid cooled, easy maintenance. There is some flaking on the paint. Tires are a little thin, but they'd be perfect for running on the grass this spring. Standard size Bobcat plate. This machine has a 60-inch bucket on it. Inside the cab, nice and clean. Got a suspension seat. We've got cab with heat. And we've got the standard Bobcat foot controls. Nice door on the machine with wiper. Shot of the hours there, 2,102.2. It's got the Boss display on it. You can see all your gauges. Headlights, strobe light, release button. Plowed snow with it this morning. Everything ran out good. No creep. Everything seems to be nice and responsive. And if you take a look at the boom, that appears to be in good condition. I don't see any cracks. You know how it always wants to crack around that center cylinder. Looks good. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give us a call on this Bobcat 763. Of course, 4-wheel drive, 60-inch bucket, 46 horse Kubota diesel. Radius lift boom, 114 inches to the hinge pins. Cab heat. Got a strobe light up on top. Lights all work. Just a good work machine. Give us a call. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.